Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the login authorization notifications now arriving in the InvestEngine app. First, check that the notifications are enabled in the InvestEngine app on your device. On Android or iPhone, go to settings and then go to apps. Then go ahead and look for the InvestEngine app and make sure you have turned the notifications on. Then head over to your app store or your play store and then search for the InvestEngine app and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version, since outdated versions can cause notification problems. Next, if the issue continues, restart your phone and try again the login process. That's how you fix login authorization not arriving in the InvestEngine app. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.